to try out IPL Hair Removal, I was very curious to see this product available on Amazon. Now, I have heard a lot of good things. I have seen great progress from other people that I'm interested in following, so we'll see. I love that it comes shrink wrapped because then you're not worried about sanitary issues. It says it has an all-in-one integrated safety system, silky, long-lasting texture, refined, delicate skincare, and automatic flash. IPL Hair Removal Device, user manual. And here we have all of the accessories that come with it. So there is a razor, sunglasses, we've got our charging cord, and then the device. Ooh, fancy. I like it. Let's take a look. It's even prettier when you unsheath it. That is so pretty. Considering it's a product to help enhance your beauty, it is kind of fun that it's beautiful too. It has a lot of shimmer to the outside of the case. It feels very ergonomic. I love the design here. So of course I wouldn't look directly into the laser when I have it on, but I have not even charged this unit. That's that. It's time to try it out. First I better read the instructions and make sure my skin is properly prepped.